Good morning, students. We are doing a third lesson, Role of the Parliament. Today, our topic is the role of Parliament or the function of Parliament. The Parliament of India has immense powers. Parliament of India has number of powers because its members are elected representatives of the people and they comes from different constituencies of the country, and the several functions are there. First we'll see Lok Sabha selects the executives, which is a group of persons and who work together to implement the laws made by the parliament. Second is the parliament control, guide and inform the government. The parliament is made up of the elected members and they all form the government. The parliament, when in session, begins with a question hour. They ask different questions during which the MPs can give information about the working of the governments. The member of parliaments, when the opposition members, they ask question regarding any of the department, then the MPs give them information about the working of the government. By asking questions, the government is informed about its shortcomings because the opposition always point their shortcomings, and also they are informed about the opinion of the people. Number 3, the parliament's approval is crucial for the government in the matters related to finance, like the bills and all, they are brought into the parliament, and there only when they get the majority, then they will come into the procedure. Number 4, the parliament makes laws for the whole nation. It is its primary function. Who are the people in the parliament? The members of the parliament are the representatives of the people. Those who are in the parliament, they are sent by the citizens from various constituencies. These are members from rural areas as well as from many regional parties. It was felt that a representative democracy cannot produce a perfect reflection of the society. So, those who are the members, they should be given various categories. So some seats are also reserved for SCs, scheduled castes, for STs, scheduled tribes, and for women. So that this thing will prove that historically marginalized people are given adequate representation. Marginalized means जो पिछड़े हुए लोग हैं उनको भी प्रतिभागिता संसद के काम में मिलेगी. Thank you.